Hi guys, it's me Roxy, and I have a sore throat, so sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird, but this is my first ever video with my voice, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, but there's nothing that I really want to do, so I'm just gonna meet you guys. So let's get on. So guys, I haven't looked at the new theme, but it looks like it's to do with fashion. So yeah. I'm sorry if my voice sounds squeaky. It doesn't sound squeaky on camera. But it just sounds squeaky on camera, which I really hate. And maybe stop playing it so quickly, so what I'm gonna do. So good. Guys, if you want to friend me on Movie Star Planet, my name is RoxyXOX121. And my backup is RoxyXOX1211. And because I was so dumb when I made my account, I didn't do any capital letters, so that's why I have no capital letters. And I'm on UK if you wanna add me. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go shopping, and I am going to find an outfit for this week's theme. So I'm just going to go looking until I find an outfit. So guys, I got an outfit, which is this outfit. You can't see the jeans, but I forgot shoes because I am so dumb. Yeah, I'm so dumb. And I just got one friend request. I don't accept best friend requests yet, but I have 12 messages. And guys, if you don't know my real name is Shay, but people call me Roxy because that's my middle name. It's not spelled like SHAEW. It's not like that. It's just SHAE. So, but my middle name is Roxy. And this is my friend from school. She's really funny, and her other account got hacked, so it would be nice if you could send her gifts. Her name is Unique Monster, on UK. Sub to my YouTube page, it's Logs Games right now. Okay, sub to her channel. I didn't know this was actually my friend. Guys, my Instagram is it's Starcream Roxy, or you could just search up Roxy. Damn, Aria has like. I don't even know if she said I like your Aria hands. I think she said something, but I'm quickly gonna make a look. No. Boom, chicka boom. Her lips, sorry. Ah, there. What top? I think this is actually a rare. I actually think this is actually a D-pack, and I think this is actually a rare. Not this. Yes. I'm just making a look for her. I think she actually messaged me. So I'm really going to see what she said. Oh my God. What has she... But YouTube, there's some things you need to know. I like my beat flat and my face down low. Face down low. What the heck is she saying? So she is actually doing an edit of me right now. I think she just messaged me. And guys, sometimes I don't really message a lot of people except for the people I know, because Normally, if it was like 11, it would probably be 111. So that's why I don't normally answer. That's why I don't give, that's why I don't message a lot. But I am gonna do a video where I am messaging. Please, could I have a great me if possible? I don't. There's actually not many things that I'm gonna be doing. And I might not be able to record a video tomorrow because I have to go to gymnastics. I actually forgot to change my shoes. It's hello.
Oh.
This is so glitchy. Oops, it's in capital letters. And my voice sounds so squeaky. Got 3 friends. How many things? I'm gonna move to a different chat. I'm not actually holding the keyboard right now, except now, but it takes forever. Just takes forever for it to load. What the heck is happening? I hate it when it's loud. I'm quickly seeing what requests I have. Well, not profile there.